How to connect Discord account to domain. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to connect Discord account to domain. So for that, just simply open your Discord account, and after that just simply click on the profile section from the bottom right corner of your mobile screen, and from there just simply locate the settings option from the top right corner over here, and under the account settings option you will be able to see the option called connections. Just simply tap on it, and now just simply click on add and scroll down until you will be able to see the option called domains. Just simply click on it, and now you just simply enter the domain. For example, you can add the domain title and click on .com, and just simply enter the detail over here and click on next, and it will redirect you to the page where you have to click on continue in order to connect the domain that you are connecting with your Discord account, and you will be done. So this is basically how simple it is to connect Discord account to domain. I hope you find this video to be helpful.
So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.